If you chose to go through the selling approach or a method that you need to sell, whether it's book writing, it's podcasting, it's video creation can be various ways. You can monetize it through selling it. How are you going to do it? So these sales strategies will help you accomplish this. So we have social media posts. You can write posts about what you are selling on social media, on WhatsApp, on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or whichever platform that you wish to do that. And once you put those posts out there, people see it. Those who are interested will DM you to buy it, and that is a way to go. So social media post goes a great way to selling. You probably have to do it a number of times, or even use ads to generate the post. So you can use Facebook ads, you can use YouTube ads, or whichever way to send the post to more people. And once more people see it, you have the potency of buying it. You just have to learn how to post on social media. We have affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is a strategy you can use yourself to earn money, or you can use it to let people sell for you, and that is also earn you money. So in affiliate marketing, you get people who are already selling, who already have markets, who already have social media following. You tell them, I want you to sell this product for me. If you sell a product, I'll give you 30% commission, I'll give you 40% commission. And once they sell it, you are going to make money out of it. So affiliate marketing goes a long way to actually help you earn money while you are relaxing. So you don't necessarily need to sell the product yourself, but someone is selling it for you whilst you are earning the money, and you are giving the person commission out of it. So the official platform that you can use for affiliate marketing, you can go to affiliate marketing platform, just search on it. I don't want to do any free ads here. Just search on the one that works for you, and you can upload your content there. People will sell it for you, earn their commission, and you also earn your commission. Targeted training. So if you are producing content in a particular area, you can organize WhatsApp trainings for people in that area. So once you organize the training for them, those who go through the training, you tell them, if you want the premium class, you have to sign up for the premium, and that costs this amount of money. So those who will be willing, they will pay that amount of money, and you will sell to them at that particular rate. So targeted training goes a long way to help you monetize yourself. Online markets are also there. We have the Amazon market, we have Jumia, we have plenty markets out there that you can actually go put your product out there and sell. You need to be conscious of SEO and how to get the content to reach more people. So there are various ways you can actually sell when you have picked up your skills in ChatGPT. So these are just to help you on how to make money using ChatGPT. There is a bonus coming up. Stay tuned for it.